Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the doll's booties. You see, it's a like kind of shoe. Okay, I'm following the doll's dress color, so I'm doing this. I'll show you how to do the booties. This is the doll size. Okay, if you want bigger for the baby size, you just follow the baby's feet. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. Now we're going to start with 9 chain. Okay, from the second chain we are going to make one single crochet in 7 chain. Okay, in the last chain I'm going to make 4 single crochet. 1 2 3 4. Then we are going to turn around and make 1 single crochet in 6. 1 with the tail itself, I'm hiding it. 2 3 4 5 6. Then we are going to increase in the last one. 1 2. Okay, slip sit with the first one here. Then we are going to make 1 chain. Then we are going to increase 1 2 single crochet. Increase single crochet in the first one. Then I'm going to make 1 single crochet in 3 stitches. Then I'm going to make half double crochet, okay, in 3 stitches. 1 2 3. Then I'm going to make half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in next 3 stitches. 1 2 and 3. Then we are going to make 1 half double crochet in 3 stitches. 1 2 and 3. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet in 3. Then we are going to increase. Then slip stitch. Okay. Now we are going to make row number 3, 1 single crochet. Then we are going to increase in next. Increase with 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet in the 3 stitches. Then we are going to make 1 half double crochet next. Then in the other one we are going to increase with 2 half double crochet. Okay, we are going to repeat this 4 times. Then we are going to make 1 double crochet in 3 stitches, then 1 single crochet in 3 stitches, then we are going to single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next and 1 single crochet in the next. So we are going to repeat this 2 times. Look at this. We have 33 stitches in here. So now we are going to make row number 4, 1 chain. We are going to make 1 single crochet in the back loop. Okay, finish in the back loop. You can see the line here, see. Okay, now we are going to make in both loops. We will have 33 stitches in both loops. We are going to make 3 rounds with 1 single crochet in each. Once you complete, I'll show you how it turns up. Okay, complete 3 rounds. Now we are going to make 1 chain, then I'm going to make 1 single crochet in 10 stitches. Okay, now we are going to make the 1 single crochet, then we are going to decrease. This one we are going to do it 4 times. 1, then decrease. Okay, we decrease 4 times, 1 single crochet, then decrease. Now we are going to make 1 single crochet in 11 stitches. So complete, then we slip stitch with the first one. Okay, we will have 29 stitches. Now we are going to make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in 8 stitches. Okay, 8 stitches, then we are going to decrease. Then 1 single crochet, we are going to decrease. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet in 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we are going to decrease. Okay, then we are going to make 1 single crochet, decrease. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet in 7. Okay, slip stitch. Now we are going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, completed. Okay, completed. Now cut off the yarn, hide the tails inside. Okay, I'm going to make this ribbon now. This one so easy. In the magic ring, 4 chain, 3 triple crochet, then 4 chain, come back here again 4 chain, 3 triple crochet, then 4 chain. That's all. Then you just sew it here. Okay, that's all. Okay, then sew it. Okay, like this. Sew it here. Okay, see, completed both shoe. This booties. This is cute for the doll. Okay, this is the doll size. So if you wanted to do for a baby size, so increase the chain like that. Normally the baby also normally this size, because my doll this one is around 12 inches like that. More, I think more than that, maybe around 15 inches. So the leg also quite big also, like a baby's leg. Okay, I hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.